the water feels so fine. We're going noodling, gonna have a good time. So bring along your family and bring along your friends. Grab a hold of your stringers, boys, this is where the fun begins. Well, that fish, he'll bite you on the toe. That fish, he'll bite you, he'll make you holler, ow. That fish, he'll bite you and shake you all around. But when it's all over, I'll be pulling him out. Well, we catch him in the holes and we catch him in the rocks. We catch him laying way down deep underneath the dock. We catch them in the brush and we hope they're moving slow. We catch them suckers with our hands, we don't need no fishing pole. And we head on home to have a big fish fry. Fish fries, tartar sauce too, you couldn't eat it all if you tried. Pull out the old guitars, play music all night long. Look out boys, here it comes, gonna do another fishing song. Well, we catch 'em in the holes and we catch 'em in the rocks. We catch 'em laying way down deep underneath the dock. We catch 'em in the brush and we hope they're moving slow. We catch 'em suckers with our hands, we don't need no fishing pole. Yeah, we catch 'em suckers with our hands, we don't need